Good evening, Lawrence.
Good evening, James. Good evening, everyone.
This set of awards recognizes the songwriters and performers who create music for the big screen.
Yes, and with their musical genius, these songs become anthems that resonate with the audience, moving their emotions with every word in the lyrics and every beat of their music.
We present to you the nominees for Best Original Theme Song.
Cameras.
Ano na miss mo si Ate Janice? Kamukha mo na ng tanong.
I miss you all. That's what I
Tama ba yan?
Ibig sabihin ba nito, James, are you ready na go back to acting? And to have a love team again?
Ooh, love team, I don't know about that, but acting definitely. I always said I was planning to get back to acting after I really explored music, and I have a new EP coming out. I'm very excited. It's actually written it also in Tagalog, so I'm very excited. And yeah, there will be movie projects and TV projects next season.
For the time na wala ka sa showbiz, na hindi ka masyadong active, ano yung mga nasa isip o realizations, aside sa mga na-business?
I really wanted to take the time to just discover myself through music. For me, in the past couple of years, I've been really able to explore myself, not just as a musician, but as a business.
What's next?
This is Janice, the number one support.
Ayan muna.